to share with you a very delicious recipe. Stuffed chiles rellenos with chorizo and papas that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Black pepper, Himalaya salt or the salt you have at home, onion powder, potatoes, onion, bell peppers, green and orange, 1 tomato, poblano chilies, chorizo, and oil. This is everything we need to make these delicious and amazing stuffed poblano chilies. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the chile poblanos. I have washed and dried the chile poblanos, and now I am ready to start toasting them, roasting them right on top of the stove. You want to make sure that they get really nice and roasted from both sides, from all the edges, so that it will be easy to take the skin off when they are ready. When they're nice and roasted from every side, then I'm gonna put them in this baggie and I'm gonna let them sweat for just 10 minutes. No more than 10 minutes or else they're gonna get very soggy and overcooked. And here, look at this. Look how easy it is to remove the skin off of the chile poblanos. You're gonna remove all the skin completely off, and once you have removed everything, make sure that you cut through the center and you get all the seeds out so that you could stuff these chile poblanos with whatever you desire. I am going to stuff them with chorizo and potato. I'm gonna continue with the rest. Here I have my potatoes, and I'm gonna cut the side, and then I'm gonna take the skin off completely, making sure that I don't leave any little black spots or little eyes on the potato. Once you have already taken all the skin off, then I'm gonna go ahead slicing just like this. You're gonna cube it in small little pieces so that they incorporate with the rest of the ingredients and that they cook a little faster. You don't want to leave the potatoes too large. Remember, you're gonna stuff your chile poblanos with the potato and the chorizo. I have a bowl here full of water, and I added the potato. The reason that I have the bowl with water so that the potato doesn't start getting brown. And now I am ready to start with the veggies. I have my bell pepper, which I'm gonna take the little skin off, the little vein off, and I'm gonna start slicing and cubing it. You wanna make sure that all your veggies are cut almost the same size so that they all cook at the same time. Well, I'm gonna continue slicing and cubing my bell pepper. Once this is done, I'm just gonna transfer it to a plate, and I'm doing the same thing with the green bell pepper. This part is very important. I know that this takes time when you're slicing and you're cubing and you want to make sure that everything's almost the same size. You know something? When the dish is completely done, you're going to see why you want to make sure that everything is almost the same size. Well, here I just have the tomato that I'm going to go ahead and slice, and I'm leaving the seeds behind because you want to make sure that it's nice and juicy, that the potato leaves all the delicious juice in the potato and the chorizo. Well, this is completely done. Let's go to the stove. My pan is nice and hot. I'm gonna add the chorizo, and to this I'm gonna add half a cup of water. I don't want to add any oil. unless it's really necessary. After 5 minutes, the chorizo has released the flavor and its oils. So I'm just gonna cook it with the oil that the chorizo is, dripping off. Here, I'm gonna add all the potato and I'm just gonna incorporate it. Once everything is incorporated, I'm gonna add my seasoning, my black pepper, my onion powder, my salt, and this is everything you need to add. I'm gonna go ahead, incorporate it one more time, and I'm going to cover it for only 5 minutes in medium-low heat. After the 5 minutes, look at this. The potato's still a little hard, and that's exactly how you want it. I'm gonna add all the veggies in here. I'm gonna incorporate everything. Once you incorporate all the veggies, do not cover it. You don't want to overcook your potato. You still want your potato to be a little hard, but not overcooked like a mashed potato. You still want to see those little cubes of potato when you're stuffing your poblano chilies. Okay, after 2-3 minutes that it's been cooking with the veggies, look at this. The potato now, it's a little soft, but this is completely done. I'm just gonna turn off the stove and start stuffing the chile poblanos. Look at this. A little bit at a time, but be generous. Once your poblano chili is completely stuffed, well then I'm just going to add a little bit of sour cream on the top, a little bit of queso fresco, and I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to taste it. This looks amazing. With these delicious stuffed chile poblanos, and be generous when you stuff your chile poblanos. Of course, that I'm combining it with the delicious and refreshing cucumber starfruit lemonade that you already have on my channel. But you know something, let me stop talking and let me taste this amazing and delicious. My mouth is already watering, excuse me. You know something? The potato is still soft, but yes, it's not overcooked. It still has a little crunch to it. This just came out amazing. This recipe is perfect for this hot weather. And this lemonade, well, you already have it on my channel. You know something, my friends? When you cook with love, everything comes out delicious. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious stuffed chile poblano with potato and chorizo. You know something? Make it at home. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoy with my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.